Hey guys, welcome to the channel RP Let's Explore. Guys, today I'm gonna share with you my interview experience. The interviewer gave me one practical scenario where I have to perform few of the tasks on Excel and I need to execute that task in the UiPath. So the interviewer given me this Excel file, and if you see in the C column there are few of the cell are blanks. So the scenario was like I have to create a macro where all this blank cell value fill with the above value, and I need to execute this macro into the UI path. So normally what we have to do to fill blank cell value with above value, we just press Ctrl G, click on special, select the blank, click OK. Then automatically all blanks value will be selected in the column. Then you have to select the is equal to, then you can uh, select this value and you need to press Control Enter so that all above the value will automatically get filled. So you have to do this activity and you need to perform in a UiPath through the macro. So I'll show you one more time. So I created a macro to perform this activity. So first what you have to do, you have to save this Excel file into the Excel micro enable workbook. So I'll save this, save as, I'll keep on the desktop, and you have to save this file as a Excel micro enable workbook, right? And I'll give the name test 1 and I'll save this one. So once you save as a micro enable workbook, then you have to click on this ribbon and customize the click on the customize ribbon. Once you click on this, it will show us few of the options. So you have to click on trust center, then click the trust center settings and check this field enable all macros, right? And then click OK. So once you do that, the developer tab, it will be automatically create here. Now I have to create a macro to perform this activity. So a very simple way, what I'll do is I'll record a macro. So macro is nothing but a set of instruction which perform a repetitive task, right? So I'll show you how we can do that. So click on the record macro. You can give any name. I'll give value, and if you want any shortcut key you can give here or keep as it is, and you can provide a description and store macro in this workbook. You can choose here three options: personal macro workbook, new workbook, or this macro. So I'll select this macro and click on the create. Now what you have to do, you have to select this column, press Ctrl G, then go to the special, select blank, then OK, then is equal to, then you have to select the above value and you need to press Control Enter, right? So if you check, all the blank values are filled. Now I'll stop recording. Okay. Now if you go to the macro tab and there is a macro created value. Okay. So now we just cross check whether our macro is properly working or not. So what I'll do is I'll change few of the value here. I'll what I'll do is I'll keep different cell blank. Now we change our value dynamically and I'll save this one. Now we'll check whether our macro is working or not. So go to the macro and click on the run. So if you observe, it's working perfectly. I mean, even if you change value, it's workingly perfect. You are able to see. Now what we have to do here, we have to run this macro in UiPath. So how we can do that? So go to the UiPath Studio, click on the process, and you can give any name as per your requirement, and I'll create. So now this is our UiPath Studio. If you see this micro file, if you see this macro file, the extension of this macro file changed from .slsx to .slsm, right? So what we can do here, we'll first create one sequence. Now we have to use the Excel application scope. Now what we have to do, we just have to provide the micro file path, right? So if you go to the properties panel and if you check here, you have to check micro setting is enabled and create if it's not required right now and it's visible and save changes. Okay. So here I am providing the Excel file path. So I kept this file here. So I'll provide the file path. Test one. Because this is open, that's why. So I'll provide this file, right? I'm opening one more time and I check whether cell value is blank or not. So it's blank. Now I'm closing this one. So what you have to do, you have to provide the execution micro execute activity. Here you are able to see app integration, Excel and execute micro. So directly you can put this activity here. And now if you check in the properties panel, you need to provide the micro name. So micro name is, you just need to open file one more time. And if you check in the macro, there is a name is value. So you need to provide this name to here. In the double quotes, you can provide the name of micro value, right? So I'm closing this one and we'll check how it's work. I'm saving this one and run file. So in the output, you check it's perfectly work and we'll check perfect. If now you are check the value, blank cell value is filled with the above value. So guys, in this way, I have tackled that question. If you have any question about the execution macro and how to create macro in Excel, you can ask me in the comment section. So guys, keep learning, keep sharing. Happy automation.